चाहूंगी बिकॉज इतनी बारिश में मुंबई में एवरी डे यू गाइज मेक इट टू वर्क एंड आज मैं जानती हूँ बाहर कितनी बारिश थी और सब आए हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच. आपका सपोर्ट हमारे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है. एंड कावाला जब मैं शूट कर रही थी, जो तमिल वर्जन है, आई थिंक इट हैड जस्ट द बेस्ट टीम. देयर वाज नेल्सन सर जो डायरेक्टर हैं इस फिल्म के, देयर इज जानी मास्टर हु इज द कोरियोग्राफर, एंड रजनी सर का होना तो वो मोमेंट मेरे लिए सबसे ज्यादा मैजिकल था ये गाना शूट करते वक्त. एंड हम जानते थे हम एक अच्छा गाना शूट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जब ये गाना रिलीज हुआ आई हैड दिस वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग अर्ज कि वैसे तो मतलब सब रील्स बनाते हैं बट आई वाज लाइक मुझे रील बनानी है, एक रील बनानी है. एंड या just went ahead, made a reel and then उसके बाद पता नहीं क्या हुआ Instagram पे.
next level.
अभी मेरा नोटिफिकेशन बंद ही नहीं होता.
बहुत सारे लोग
remix reel is going on my Instagram and लोगों ने बहुत सराहा है इस गाने को. काफी सारी बार हम फिल्मों को प्रमोट करते हैं यहाँ पर. ये गाना हमें आप तक पहुंचा रहा है और literally like we are almost like we have to promote this song because everyone has loved it so much. And Jailer is a film that's very special to me because it's a very very rooted film, and I'm looking forward to actually interacting with the media on this. पहली बार मुंबई में कर रहे हैं तो would like to give it time to talk to everyone from the media.
Absolutely, yeah. But I'm going to actually call somebody who's very excited also कि ये गाना इतना वायरल हो गया. When you start to distribute a movie, also you have to realize कि भाई पब्लिक तक पहुंचाना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. स्टार्टिंग में पिक्चर अच्छी हो जाए तो ठीक है, बहुत बड़ी स्टार कास्ट है. But ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the CEO of UFO Distribution, Pankaj ji. Can we please have you here, sir? Thank you so much for being so involved in every aspect of it. But आपका आधा काम तो बहुत easy हो गया. People keep looking for that one spark. And Anirudh, the music director, has this in him. I remember कोलावरी डी जब सालों पहले आया था, वायरल हम लोग ने भारत में सीखा था from अनिरुद्ध. उससे पहले सिर्फ गंगम स्टाइल was viral. So when you heard this song, were you actually thinking about the song or you only worried about कि भाई रिलीज अच्छी हो जाए, सब जगह पहुंच जाए, वो सब जरूरी है?
नहीं, worried about आप बोलो तो मैं I was worried about तमन्ना जी आज आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे. तो ये 2 मिनट का बीच में जो हॉल था was acceptable as long as तमन्ना जी is here. आपको और मेरे को देखने के लिए कोई नहीं आने वाला है. बट यस, गाना डेफिनेटली वायरल हो गया था. द डे आई रियलाइज, परसों वर्ली नाका सीलिंग से मैं बाहर निकल रहा था, आई वाज जस्ट अमेज्ड. उधर एक ट्रैफिक आइलैंड है, बच्चे लोग को गाना लगा के दे वर प्रैक्टिसिंग द हुक स्टेप. सब लोग अपना काम तो हो ही गया है. मोमेंट द ग्राउंड लेवल टीम एंड द ऑडियंस एक्सेप्ट्स अ सॉन्ग, दैट्स इट, इट्स अ हिट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जानी मास्टर एंड तमन्ना जी, और क्या बात है.
नहीं, बट जैसे आपने कहा, अनिरुद्ध इज अ म्यूजिक कंपोजर जो बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. एंड आई थिंक वी आर वेरी वेरी फॉर्चुनेट टू हैव हिम ऑन आवर टीम. ही इज गिवन अस अ वंडरफुल ट्रैक.
पंकज जी, when you see big star cast like this, ये तो बहुत next level. तो मोहनलाल सर है, शिवा सर है, रजनी सर है, तमन्ना, जैकी श्रॉफ. I think there's a pressure sort of increase also to make sure कि right audience देख पाए. फिर क्या होता है नहीं, in a regional film which becomes national and then you're trying to we're still fighting with it, let's be honest. 5 साल से we're still fighting with the fact कि क्या हम इसको national बना पा रहे हैं कि नहीं. But here we have superstars in it. So pressure बढ़ जाता है क्या डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में?
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में प्रेशर तो हमेशा रहता ही है, इतने पैसे लगे हुए थे. बट व्हेन यू सी द कंटेंट, आज आम आदमी को क्या चाहिए? भैया 3 घंटे में जाता हूँ, ऐश करके आता हूँ, और रजनीकांत सर जैसे आएंगे, सीटियां तो वैसे ही बच जाती है. That 3 minutes, the 3 hours, you just forget your worries, you enjoy and you come out. When you have that feel, distribution का टेंशन निकल जाता है फिर.
And आपको तो कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. वो बोलता है पर्पल पैच, जब कोई एस्ट्रोलॉजर से पूछते हैं, कोई बैट्समैन भी पूछता है कि हर एक चीज अच्छी चलनी चाहिए.
सलिल, आपको नहीं लगता ये जो आप अमेजिंग सवाल पूछ रहे हैं?
ये भी करेंगे, लेकिन मेरे को भी पूछने दो. उसके बाद तो मेरा पूछना है.
क्या पूछना है आपको?
This amazing patch for the last 3 months, यार, it's very difficult to get it going. आपके hit after hit, whether it's online or whether it's the films. Are you counting your blessings? Are you visiting an astrologer? Are you visiting the mandir a little extra?
They say, luck favors the ones who work hard. and luck favors the brave. So I've just been brave, and I've just been intentional, and I'm doing everything that excites me, ignites a fire in me, and luck seems to be favoring that.
Luck is favoring the brave in a very nice way. And now her brave request is, please go ahead. Like I said, this
As much as I love Salil, I actually don't want rock and roll.
this is the most intimate, beautiful setting. Go ahead. Anybody, just we'll go one at a time. Can we just, even if you don't want to use a mic because it's so close, you can just raise your hand and go ahead and ask a question. पहले कौन? अभी आंखें नीचे हो गई हैं. I'll continue. I can continue a discussion if you want. Anybody ask?
Okay, if nobody has anything to ask, then.
I have lots of questions to ask.
Oh, you have? Okay.
Even yeah. Hi, yes.
Oh, there is.
Acha, are you waiting for the mic? Oh, okay. You can, if you can stand, you just say where you're from. And please go ahead. Yes.
I feel today content is the most important aspect, and be it male or female, like आज एक heroine का part या आज ये गाना a guy can't do, right? Like you need a actress to do it. Nobody would watch it if it was being done like that. So everyone has their part. In fact, ये फिल्म सबसे बड़ा सबूत है उस बात का. इतनी बड़ी फिल्म है, इतने बड़ी स्टाइल पे बनाई गई है. रजनी सर है, मोहनलाल सर है, शिवराज सर है, रम्या कृष्णा मैम है, जग्गू दादा is there. I have a part to play. We are all playing parts in a movie, which is the vision of Nelson sir. So आज ऐसा दौर आ गया है कि nobody is shying away from playing a part, because essentially जैसे कभी जब इंडिया मैच जीतती है तो कोई केयर नहीं करता कि किसने कितने रन बनाए. अच्छा लगता है जब सचिन 100 कमाता है, बट इट्स ऑलवेज नाइस दैट इंडिया जीतती है. सो फॉर अस मूवी इज लाइक दैट. वी वांट द फिल्म टू डू वेल, एंड व्हेन दैट डज वेल देन एवरीवन अराउंड इट डज वेल. सो दैट्स द पॉइंट. I think I can't talk about an industry overall because that's a very big thing to say. But I can tell you one thing, sir, that we've not made a pan-India film. We've made a rooted, true to its region, strong, big, massy entertainer with probably the biggest superstar the country has. And but we're not trying to make a pan-India film here. We're trying to make a film जो लोगों से जुड़े. एंड वापस से जब हम कावाला जैसा एक सॉन्ग रिलीज करते हैं, ये हमारे लिए भी एक एफर्मेशन बन जाता है कि जब वो सॉन्ग अच्छा हो. अच्छा, ये तमिल सॉन्ग है जिसका टाइटल तेलुगु है, यू नो, सो दैट्स यूनिक. You normally don't have a Tamil song with a Telugu title. And now we've come to the Hindi audiences because we feel like our content is strong, that it will travel across languages. उसको भाषा की जरूरत नहीं है. So I don't think it's one industry over another. It's only about when we are culturally so strong that whenever we take our culture and we celebrate it, वो automatically we are at least hoping कि पूरे देश तक पहुंचे. So यही हमारा प्रयास है.
तमन्ना ఏం కావాలా?
ఏం కావాలా? మీరు కావాలండి. మీలాంటి బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
ఓ బాగుంది. Okay, you love dancing and you're a very exuberant dancer, you know. What dancing means to you?
I just know one thing कि कोई भी मैंने आज तक किसी को गुस्से में डांस करते हुए नहीं देखा. मतलब आपको खुश होना पड़ता है. It's like a given कि अगर आपको डांस करना है तो आपको खुशी में करना पड़ेगा. So I've never seen a very angry person dancing or an upset. Have you seen an upset person dance ever?
But I've seen people struggling. आप जिस तरह करते हो, हम लोग का ऐसा नहीं है.
नहीं, struggle is a different thing. Have you seen someone sadly dancing? Nobody sadly dances. Everyone happily dances. Yes. So I think that's the kind of dancer I am, and that's the kind of dancer I've always been since I was a young kid. I just love dancing. It's a way for me to express myself. It's a way for me to channel my joy, and I love doing it with my loved ones in person, and of course as a performer for the entire audience, because they're all the people I'm actually doing this for.
Tamanna, this is a very good phase for you, you know, personally and professionally also. What would you like to sum up in 2-3 sentences?
I think today, as a woman in 2023, it's very important to accept yourself the way you are. And the moment you start doing that, everyone starts accepting you. And I might have been one of those fortunate people who had the luxury of learning this through the growth of my cinema journey. But I could say this to everyone. It's beauty. People think that film actors, or say supposing people think that I am beautiful. I think true beauty comes from just acceptance. And the moment you do that, everyone loves you.
Tamanna here.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? It is fantastic, you know, जब आपको ऑन स्क्रीन देखें और जो डांस इतना वायरल हो गया है, और आपने अभी कहा कि एक क्रिकेट टीम जब खेलती है तो किसी एक को क्रेडिट नहीं आता, कि हम जीते ना वो इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है. क्या आप जिंदगी के करियर के उस मकाम पे आ गई हैं जहाँ दिल से फैसले लेने लगी हैं, दिमाग छोड़ दिया, दिमाग से फैसले लेना बंद कर दिए?
नहीं सर, दिमाग बहुत जरूरी है. दिमाग को कहीं नहीं छोड़िएगा. हम नहीं छोड़ते ताकि आपको भी अपना दिमाग घर पे नहीं छोड़ के आना पड़े, ताकि आप भी अपना दिमाग सिनेमा थिएटर में लेके आ सके. हमारा तो यही प्रयास है. नहीं सर, आई थिंक दिल की सुनना बहुत जरूरी है, बट जब हम उसे एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं तो तभी दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है. और ये बहुत ही एक सुंदर फेज है मेरे करियर का, जहां मुझे अलग अलग प्रकार के किरदार निभाने का मौका मिल रहा है. एंड लोग मुझे ट्रस्ट कर रहे हैं. जैसे इसी कुछ इन 2 महीनों में बहुत ही वेरीड किस्म का काम करने मिला है मुझे. एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल. आई एम आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग ऑल दिस टाइम दैट आई हैव स्पेंट even in the South Indian film industry, Sun Pictures, who are the producers of the Tamil version, and UFO Media, thank you sir, thank you for presenting us to the Hindi market, and I hope this film does well for all of us. Sun Pictures और मेरा बहुत ही पुराना रिश्ता है, because even before I became a popular face in the South Indian film industry, I've done a lot of ads for their brand, and yeah, it's always been magical to work with them. They really cater to audiences, and they make content for audiences.
Tamanna, what was your reaction the moment the maker asked you to be on board? क्या as an artist जब आप किसी फिल्म का हिस्सा बनते हैं, किन चीजों का ध्यान रखते हैं? और फिर ये जो गाना अपने आप में इतना बड़ा हो गया हिट, वो आपको उम्मीद थी कि इतना बड़ा हिट हो जाएगा, इतना वायरल हो जाएगा, जैसे सर ने बताया कि बच्चे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं रोड पे?
आई फील जब आप ऐसे नाम सुनते हैं जैसे कि अनिरुद्ध सर, नेल्सन सर, ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज रजनी सर्स फिल्म, सो बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ हिज फिल्म, आई फील ऐसे नाम बहुत ही बैंकेबल नाम है. और इसीलिए नहीं क्योंकि वो बहुत लाइक ऑलरेडी बहुत अचीव किया उन्होंने इंडस्ट्री में. उन्होंने बहुत ही कंसिस्टेंटली अचीव किया है इंडस्ट्री में, और ये वैसे भी मुश्किल है, बिकॉज द क्रिएटिव आर्ट फॉर्म, एवरीवन हैज अ गुड डे एंड अ बैड डे, but these people have like an unbreakable track record. So I think मेरा natural instinct था कि ये मुझे करना चाहिए, and I'm glad मैंने किया, और I'm glad लोगों को इतना पसंद आ रहा है.
Hi Tamanna.
Hello.
Kesha this side from E-Times. What I want to ask you is that I want you to tell me the one thing respectively that you've learned from Chiranjeevi and Rajinikanth, that now that you've worked with them.
I think both of these people, they are extremely humble, extremely hardworking, dedicated, and they've not taken their positions for granted. So as a young actor, this is something that I learned from them, and I hope to imbibe it till the end of my career and till life.
Hi, Tamanna here.
Hi.
I have a question. You said something wonderful about the Indian cricket team and everything. So there was an interview of Priyanka Chopra many years ago, I think at least 5 years ago, where she had said that when she went to Hollywood, there were many actors, like many superstars, who were willing to do 5-minute roles, 5-minute parts in a big film to make the entire film work. Do you feel, you've seen the industry very closely from a very young age, there are insecurities that crop up between actors in any film industry, which is why a lot of films don't even happen. A lot of filmmakers have also gone out and said that many of their multi-hero films, multi-heroine films have not worked out because of this. But women have majorly been more successful than multiple hero movies of late. Do you see a change in the younger generation of actors today? Do you feel that there's more security, or do you think that insecurities are still there?
I think change is individual. Like, I remember when Bahubali happened, or my very first successful Telugu film Happy Days happened. Thereafter, a recent show I did, Ji Karda. I have always been a part of ensemble films. And I've never shied away from that because I think there is power when a lot of great creative people come together. And I think I've always been a very secure actor, so I can talk for myself that I feel, in fact, when you are with these great stalwarts of the industry, your best comes out because you know you can't do anything but your A game. So you bring on your A game and you take it on head on, and if all goes well, the audience loves it, and the return is manifold, and it actually lasts for, like, Bahubali is a film I think nobody will ever forget in Indian cinema, and I feel like I got an opportunity because I was open to the idea that I should be a part of an ensemble and not think my role is that much or my role is this much, understanding that every character has its own part to play.
मैम
हेलो तमन्ना जी
जी कहाँ पर?
यहाँ पे तमन्ना जी
Yes.
तमन्ना जी शारिक फ्रॉम इंडियन एक्सप्रेस
नमस्ते. बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक नाम है आपका.
जी तमन्ना जी आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि मतलब हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जैसे पहले आइटम नंबर्स होते थे और बहुत हिट भी हुए हैं, बट अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि जैसे साउथ इंडस्ट्री डोमिनेट करे आइटम नंबर्स को, तो आप क्या कहेंगे उसके बारे में?
It's an interesting thing that you ask. I already received a lot of love, and it was way into my career. I just felt like I used to really enjoy dancing, and that's when I got my first opportunity for a special song. And I was like, you know what, I love dancing. I love to dance, I love to perform, I want to do this song. So I've done, I think, this must be my 7th or 6th song that I might have done in my career, out of which I think 2 or 3 really became big songs, this being the most heard. So I feel like it's not about a certain industry or about I just feel like हर song की अपनी तकदीर होती है, and incidentally it's happened so that a lot of good audio has come from the southern film industry. Anirudh is a wonderful composer, and I feel like right now the joy of being an actor or a creative person is all those lines कि यहाँ से है वहाँ से है, all the regionality का lines are completely blurring. So it's a great time for us creative people because we can have that exchange.
तमन्ना जी एक और
डांसर्स के साथ, इसीलिए सब बना रहे हैं.
तमन्ना दिस साइड आदि
यहाँ बनाएंगे ना आज, today we'll make today reels.
Tamanna, normal film to this film, what different and extraordinary things you did for yourself? What was the extra Tamanna you put? Okay, yes, this is something I can do it.
I think one thing I have to credit, and I am always very passionate about every time I go on a film set or even whatever, whether I'm interacting with you guys or making a reel or making a movie, my every moment of doing this involves a lot of passion, so I've never come without it. But I was very pleasantly surprised to see, apart from Jani Master being on set, Nelson Sir was there throughout the song shoot for every single shot, which is a rarity. Not every director likes to be on set when a song is being filmed. Some few filmmakers do that, and you can see the difference. Like, you can see the quality that comes across when the director is a part of the music and a part of the kind of song that gets churned out. So I am very thankful to Nelson Sir because he's been a huge part of why Kavala looks the way it does.
Tamanna, this is such a huge assembled cast is there, but credit to you that you are carrying the press meet on your shoulders, being a woman. What do you have to say?
I am a Mumbai girl. ये तो मेरा city है, मैं यहाँ पर पली बड़ी हूँ. आप लोग मेरे अपने हो, तो मुझसे better. I mean, I feel very proud कि इस टीम ने मुझे काबिल समझा कि मैं आके आप सबके साथ ये वक्त बिता सकूं, because whether you know it or not, I have a very soft corner in my heart for you guys, and it will always be like that because I am from here, and the fact that you're giving this so much love means a lot, because today you guys are helping us blur the lines, whether it's a Tamil film, a Telugu film, any kind of film, it's with your help that we're able to blur the lines. So yeah, I feel super lucky to kind of be the flag bearer of Jailer.
Would you like to answer Pankaj? He was worried that if you don't come.
No, who Pankaj? Sir, आपको टेंशन था कि मैं नहीं आऊंगी? मैं तो चप्पू भी लेके आ जाती.
अरे वो तो ह्यूमर में था ऐसे.
Tamanna, hi. Tamanna, hi, Russell.
Hi.
Russell.
Hi.
You're from PTI.
Hi.
Tamanna, my question is a little on the nose. I hope you don't mind. The thing is, your pairing is looking obviously fantastic with Rajni sir, and it looks with any hero. When it comes to Hindi films, the moment the age gap is a bit large, like recently we saw in Tiku with Sheru or with Salman Khan movies, usually there's a lot of chatter over it. When it comes to South movies, we don't see the same chatter, be it with Rajnikant, be it with Chiranjeevi. Now, this is not a personal thing. I just want to see about the fans. Is it because the South heroes are put on a pedestal and they are worshipped so much, so they are impervious to such criticism?
No, I think all these really big superstars understand that they're actors first. And as an actor, your age doesn't matter. It's only in India we have this idea of age and actors being of a certain age. Internationally, I mean, nobody asks these questions because it doesn't matter. We are an actor. I am playing a character. Rajni sir is playing a character. He's a god. He's a demigod for like the entire nation. But he's still, everyone is playing a character. And I feel like we as performers value that over everything. So that is supreme. And you know what? I might be 60 and I might be still doing a song like this. And I think if a Tom Cruise can be on a, do an action sequence at the age of 60, I want to do this song at 60 and I want to rock it even more. And I hope people go berserk way more than they have today.
I'm sure
that's my question.
One second.
तमन्ना जी जानना चाहूंगा कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है जब आप काम करती हैं और वो भी जो लव वंस होते हैं नियर डियर वंस होते हैं विजय सर का क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट रहा है
बस यही that's why माइक नहीं दिया था It's called Google and Internet next अभिषेक सर नहीं
मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है आपके सवाल का जवाब देने के लिए लेकिन हम आ जाए हैं
अरे
बड़ा के लिए
वन से अभी that's why this is Internet तभी माइक मैंने ऐसे ही दे दिया था to trust both sides. I want to call Vivek sir right now because you are one of the foremost critics there is of cinema, from samosas to films to everything, sir. There's so much that has happened that Tamanna has also managed to get, as far as the song is concerned. When the song comes out, the biggest fear of every director is also क्या पहुंच पाएगी. अब वो पहुंच गई है as far as the song is concerned. Buzz आ गया है. The current state of Indian cinema also great for Oppenheimer, Barbie and all that, very good. But क्या लग रहा है आपको? Is this the next step also where social media will push enough as far as box office collections are concerned to bring it in?
Already doing it. Sorry, my voice is. Sorry, my voice is. See, there are two aspects to making a film a hit. One is that the film should be good, and the other is that the distribution should be outstanding. Distribution has to take a film over and above and beyond where the producer takes it. The producer takes it there, the distributor pushes it across the finishing line. I've been associated with UFO for 25 years. We built a whole new brand of film distribution through satellite into the theatres, and the penetration that they have pan-India is such that no other distributor can even hope to go there. So we have Rajnikant, we have something that's already going viral on social media, and as you said, it hasn't even stopped. Every day it's getting more and more and more and more and more. We have great distribution in the best theatres across the country. I predict that this is going to be a sleeper hit in India. It's going to be a big hit across the South in any case, but I hope it does. And I've been a fan of Rajni sir. I was telling Tamanna when we met outside ever since I was a kid. So have we all actually. So I think it's great that this is coming at the right time. You're going to capture Independence Day. You're going to have bank holidays. You're going to have weekends. And you're not releasing it this week with Oppenheimer. You're waiting and you're going to go into next week. So we have everything that it takes to make a film a superhit.
I have to ask you this also as a lead up to the next question as well. Everyone's been thinking price point is the most important thing for a film. You have abundantly written about price point, about samosa point, and it works very well. I am an avid viewer. I watch every cinema and pay for it myself. My question is, are we still at price point, do you think?
Because it's UFO, it is. UFO actually specializes in taking a film into tier 2, tier 3 at the most sensible ticket point in the country. And that is why it was UFO that kept the single screens running through and post-COVID, by giving them content that was affordable. Because today they're going to sit at home and they're going to watch films. I've been saying this on Twitter and Facebook. I think all the multiplexes are completely fed up of me. There was a multiplex chain I won't mention. They called up and said, "Sir, we'll give you free pass to every show in the country. Just don't write about us anymore."
But they're good, right? We're at PVR right now.
That was God bless.
Yeah. We'll move on to that. But yeah, thanks.
But I seriously think that in a country where Amitabh Bachchan's films would play at 2 rupees, 3 rupees and 5 rupees a ticket, films made a profit. Why are they shouting losses at 500 and 800 rupees a ticket? There has to be some logic. Either we're spending too much or it's unnecessary. So if we all put our heads together and we rationalize, then we're going to go into a new era. But UFO is thinking by other people stop. I was at the office 2 weeks ago and we were just discussing it because there's a lot of things that we do together. And the way they've planned a certain strategy, especially for this film, I have absolutely no doubts that this is going to run away and become a hit, because it's going to penetrate into the deepness of the country, which is actually where this film needs to be. Rajnikant doesn't cater to multiplex audiences.
Also, yes.
But especially if you go to places in the hinterland of the country, Rajni sir goes to where those guys love him, adore him and worship him. If you give them a ticket at 100 rupees or less, they will go 4 times in the theatre. If you give them a ticket at 1200, 800, they're going to lie down on the recliner and fall asleep. Enough said.
Pankaj sir, I just want to know how difficult it was for you to manage this big film, this side, front.
Actually, we have been responsible right from the post. So post-COVID, that has been what we have been planning at. Getting the movies pan-India. North के movies लेके जाते हैं South में, South के North में आ जाते हैं, and then as Tamanna ji mentioned, the lines are blurring right now. So, but not difficult at all with the kind of ensemble that we have right now. And apart from that, as Vivek ji also mentioned, this is a mass movie, entertainment. फिर 2 घंटा, 2.5 घंटा, 3 घंटा जाते हैं ना, ज्ञान नहीं देना, मेरे को entertainment देना. The content speaks for itself. And the moment the content speaks for itself, then it is the job of the jockey कि भैया उसको बराबर handle कर लेना, सिर्फ cinemas में जाने देना. It runs on its own. So no, it has not been that difficult, but yes, we need to just manage it.
Hello.
चौरसिया खड़ा हो जा.
ये सवाल का जवाब देने के पहले मैं आपको एक मेमोरी शेयर करना चाहूंगी आपके साथ. जब मैंने अपना करियर शुरू किया था पहली बार, आई रिमेम्बर गोइंग इनटू अ थिएटर इन इंटीरियर तमिलनाडु, एंड मैं एक तभी ना थिएटर में जगह नहीं बची थी, बट वो जानते थे कि मैं आ रही हूँ. So they actually put a steel ka chair for me, so I could sit and watch Rajni sir on screen. And मैंने पहले 10 मिनट फिल्म देखी नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था और मुझे कुछ दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहा था, बिकॉज क्योंकि लोग सिर्फ अलग अलग चीजें उड़ा रहे थे. स्क्रीन वॉज कवर्ड विथ फ्लावर्स, विथ सो मेनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स, एंड दैट इज द हिस्टेरिया ही इज हैड इन मूवी थिएटर्स. एंड मैं एक स्टील के चेयर पे बैठ के मैंने फिल्म देखी है. So I cannot tell you that today it's a matter of great pride for me to actually be a part of his film and take it to even the audiences here in Mumbai. And yeah, उनसे ये तो सीखा है मैंने कि हमेशा लोगों का आदर करना चाहिए. वो अपने फैंस को बहुत ज्यादा acknowledge करते हैं, प्यार देते हैं. उन्होंने कभी भी अपने किसी भी फैन को अवॉइड नहीं किया या उन्हें अटेंशन नहीं दिया, क्योंकि वो जानते हैं कि ऑडियंसेस के प्यार की वजह से ही उनका आज ये इतना बड़ा दर्जा है. तो एज एन एक्टर, एज अ परफॉर्मर, ये उनसे मैंने सीखा है. और मैं चाहूंगी कि जब मैं लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करूं, मैं उनको प्यार दे सकूं, बिकॉज उन्होंने हमें प्यार के अलावा और कुछ नहीं दिया है. सो दैट्स समथिंग आई टेक एंड कीप इट विद इन माय हार्ट.
तमन्ना, या स्टेट या.
Oh yes, hello.
So, तमन्ना, अगर आप डेब्यू की बात कर रही हैं, नहीं जर्नी की बात कर रही हैं, जितना हमें याद है 2005 में आपने डेब्यू किया था हिंदी में, और लगभग 18 से 19 साल हो गए हैं, उसके लिए कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. साथ ही अगर जर्नी की बात हो, आप जिस पड़ाव पर आज खड़ी हैं, 19 साल हो गए हैं, यू नो कि साउथ में तो मतलब बहुत बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में, जैसे बाहुबली जैसी बहुत तमाम फिल्में हैं आपने की है, लेकिन कहीं लगता है कि कुछ छूट सा गया हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, ये लोग कहा जाए बॉलीवुड में, कभी लगता है ऐसा जब आप सोचती हैं दूसरी एक्ट्रेस?
मैं जिंदा हूँ और मैं अभी तक सांस ले रही हूँ. मतलब टाइम चालू है, मतलब मीटर चालू है. मतलब शायद मैंने अभी एंट्री मारी है एंड आपको पता भी नहीं, क्योंकि कल क्या होगा किसको पता. मेरा प्रयास तो वही है कि मैंने बोला ना, मैं तो टॉम क्रूज जैसे करूंगी, करना है मुझे. मैं बहुत इंस्पायर्ड हूँ, तो मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही. आपको मुझे बर्दाश्त करना पड़ेगा वैसे तो.
साथ ही अगर सुपरस्टार्स की बात हो तो यू नो कि हिंदी एंड साउथ में क्या क्या डिफरेंस देखती है? खैर आज तो पैन इंडिया है, फिर भी क्या डिफरेंसेस आप देखती है, क्योंकि दोनों फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आपने काम किया है, तो क्या सबसे खासियत क्या है जो साउथ को आज लोगों के दिलों में पहुंचाने के लिए काफी है?
मुझे मैं अपने खुद के एक्सपीरियंस से बात कर सकती हूँ, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट एवरीबडी. बट मैंने जब से राज सर के साथ काम किया, राजमौली सर के साथ काम किया, नेल्सन सर के साथ काम किया, मुझे एक बात उनकी बहुत पसंद है कि वो अपने कल्चर को बहुत सेलिब्रेट करते हैं और वो ऑथेंटिकली पोर्ट्रे करना चाहते हैं. आई थिंक वो ऑथेंटिसिटी लोगों को बहुत पसंद आती है. तो बी इट राजमौली सर, बी इट नेल्सन सर, आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू देम टू काइंड ऑफ टीच मी दैट द मोमेंट यू एक्सेप्ट योर सेल्फ, that's and your roots, I think that reaches to the audience the most.
Tamanna, I had spoken to Nyanvel Raja and Satyanarayan Garu. So they were saying we are very safe down, producing Telugu films and Tamil films. They are doing very well. Since you've been in the industry, you know about business also, must be knowing. And the films in Hindi are not doing well. Would you like to comment something as an actor?
Ma'am, every film has its own destiny. I just am not that person who will generalize this industry and that industry, because I have been a part of both. And I feel like everyone is, ऐसा कोई इंसान नहीं जो सेट पे जाता है बोलता है कि मैं खराब फिल्म बनाऊंगा. ऐसा कोई हो ही नहीं सकता. सब अच्छी फिल्म बनाने के लिए जाते हैं. But I do feel like sometimes we all have a habit, even as human beings, we have a habit of repeating a certain pattern. And I feel like people learn from that. हर चीज का एक दौर होता है, एक फेज होता है. शायद एक फेज है जो कुछ वक्त के बाद हमें बहुत सरप्राइज करेगा. लाइक आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू सी when Rocky and Rani come out. I think that's a film that I am looking forward to from the Hindi film industry. And I feel like as a film industry now, we have to celebrate each other. I think ये बहुत हो गया दूसरों की फिल्मों के बारे में बात नहीं करना, दूसरों को प्रेज नहीं करना. I think हम एक कम्युनिटी हैं, हम एक इंडस्ट्री हैं, एक साथ हैं. And I feel like जब सब फिल्में अच्छी जाएंगी तो everyone gets to make money, and then we make more movies and we entertain you more.